Coronavirus disease COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a new virus. Disease causes respiratory illness like a flu with symptoms such as cough, fever, and in more severe cases, difficulty in breathing. Coronavirus disease spreads primarily through contact with an infected person when they cough or sneeze. It also spreads when a person touches a surface or object that has a virus on it. The virus that causes COVID-19 and the one that caused the outbreak of severe acute respiratory disease in 2003 are related to each other genetically. Using available preliminary data, the median time from onset to clinical recovery from the mild cases is approximately 2 weeks and 3 to 6 weeks for a patient with severe or critical disease. Thus, a new prototype of the mask is proposed. The proposed device will consist of a mask for a person who is in the serious condition due to COVID-19. The person who is in the serious condition need to supply oxygen. Oxygen can be supplied to the mouth directly from the ventilator because the person is not able to do the respiration by his own. But as COVID-19 can spread over the human, thus it is also necessary to protect the medical team, doctors and nurses who usually in contact of them. So apart from giving the treatment to the patients, it is also necessary to provide the safety to the medical staff. Hence, a mask is presented here which can be developed in mass scale to provide such isolation to those serious patients. This mask is 3D printed having two inlets, strips to tie the mask on the head, and face shield. The mask is low cost and effective to the medical staff. Doctor can do checkup from the outside and the chances of getting virus through cough will be minimized or nullified. It is somehow like a scuba diving full face mask. The two inlets are provided. One is for the patient through which person can get directly oxygen over the face, and the second one where the oxygen can be supplied from the ventilator directly to the mouth with the help of another inlet which can be put on the mouth of the patient. This can be very useful to the medical staff in the critical condition and stop the widespread of this COVID-19 disease.